I guess we use setting powder to set the makeup? Why, hello there. Today, I will be trying some viral makeup products that I have never tried before, and I just dropped one. One moment, please. And I'm going to be telling you guys what I think, going to be reviewing them. So yeah, go ahead and get started. I've never used setting powder before. Also, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Check out another video after watching this one. Every pony, welcome. Yeah. In a goofy mood today. Before we get started, look what I got for Christmas. I was not into Stranger Things in 2019. I got into it with season 4, 2022, so I didn't get this pony. Now I have her! She's upside down. Boy, turn me inside out and a little round. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go I'm gonna do my face makeup, and then we'll try my very first time trying setting powder. Let's go. I have no idea how to use this. I've never used this before. I have been doing makeup since 2017, I think, when I was in high school. Got a sticker. Stick. Ah! I love this brand, Kimchi Beauty. She wrapped it in little paper. That's so kawaii. Okay, that is so fabulous. Not sponsored. None of these products are sponsored. So here we go. It's a very inappropriate name. And I'm gonna look up a tutorial on how to do this. One moment, please. Oh, this powder puff is so soft. There's no powder on it, girl. Wait. Oh, there's a sticker. So fluffy. Little powder puff is like 1956. Got the sticker off. See, it was a heart. And then we just go in. My mirror's over here. Oh no. Okay. Ah! It's getting everywhere. What else is new? Okay. Okay. I guess we use setting powder to set the makeup. I don't see much difference, other than we're very matte. I think that was the main point of it. Look like a Hollywood star. Oh my god, I'm poreless. Okay, I get it now. I get it. There's powder all over me. How does this work? How do you get it out? You just... Oh my god. Okay, I get the hype. I understand this stuff now. Just like put it everywhere. I know in Hollywood in the 50s they used to put this everywhere, so okay, cool. Thanks for watching this far in the video. I appreciate you. My video teacher would be so proud of me. We got ring light here, Hello Kitty mirror here with LED lighting. We got all the lights. One thing you can always count on for me is I will have a snatched nose contour. Oh my god. Discovers a pattern. Whoa! Okay, yeah, setting powder is a good idea. My makeup feels... oof. Not a good nose contour. Give me a minute. Okay, friends, I have fixed the nose contour, kind of. This setting powder is amazing. I would highly recommend buying it and not writing off things that you think are pointless, because they probably make a difference in some way, somehow, in someone's life. It's just not about setting powder there. Did my eyeliner, and now we're gonna try the cult classic, the never changed the packaging. Thank you, Maybelline, for keeping some packaging original to the decade that it's from. Maybelline's Great Lash. There she is. I'm gonna try and apply it over here in the mirror. There's the wand. Of course, you can't see it. Hello. Supposed to be an influencer camera. You're supposed to zoom in. Osmo. Bot. Hello. Oh, there you go. You can kind of see it. I get so scared of mascara. I'm gonna poke myself in the eye or something. So far, she's doing her best. She's not the best, but she's there. Maybe I don't know how to apply mascara, but the bottle is so cute. Kind of look good, so... what do you guys think? Tell me what you think of the original Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline. And let's get on to the Fenty Beauty highlighter. And I'm wearing an eyeshadow as blush here, so I didn't think that one through. You guys aren't ready for this. You guys aren't ready for this. Well, let's try it out. So pretty. My first Fenty Beauty product, I think, yeah. I'm being very delicate with it because I'm like, it is so my points. Yeah, no, yep, I understand the hype behind this. I'm a disco ball. Anyway, on to the outro. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. This was the moment she realized that the brushes she bought in 2018 from Forever 21, the unicorn ones, were falling apart. That is the saddest thing. Yes, this is worthy, and this is good enough. Can you guys tell what my favorite color is? Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and check out any of my other videos if you liked this one. My Instagram is down below if you want to follow me there. eBay is also down below if you want to support me there. And yeah,